today it's a very unique combination of an astrologer and a singer. क्या कहना आपका इसके बारे में?
भाई आप बहुत सक्सेसफुल हैं, हम इतने सक्सेसफुल नहीं हैं अभी.
आपके भी रील्स काफी सक्सेसफुल हैं.
Okay, but
वायरल भी हैं.
वायरल भी हैं, थोड़ा करना पड़ता है.
Millions and millions of views.
Not yet.
Really?
Not yet, but maybe after this chat.
आज
so
स्टार्स आप चेक करो, ठीक है आज?
आज थे नहीं ठीक, आपने डेट चेंज किया, वरना बेटर होता.
हम
बट
चेंज कर सकते हैं स्टार्स को?
नहीं,
अच्छा.
वो तो कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकता. Not that much.
But what can we do?
You can
to make things better.
I think to make things better, you can chill out a little bit.
Okay.
Take things in your stride, because that's what astrology helps you do.
So
कि ये होना
you
है.
can mitigate the side effects.
Not
like,
really.
Okay.
But how you react to it, और आप उसको कैसे देखोगे, and how will you experience that situation
Right.
is what you can work on.
Okay.
Which is what, say, something like a mantra or a donation or things like that.
So that's why you're
can help you with
mitigating
it.
the ill effects, no? Which are going to happen.
I mean it's kind of like आपने there's a clear pond,
हाँ.
okay, and you can see through that depth and you can see what's at the bottom. Now
Okay.
if मैंने उसमें पत्थर फेंक दिया, then there are all these ripples that get created, right?
Right.
So when you're doing a mantra, these ripples don't come. It
Okay.
will help you just clean up your DNA a little bit, focus, because otherwise ये जो ख्याल है ना, ये monkey mind,
Right.
वो चलता रहता है.
So हम predict भी कर सकते हैं.
Of course.
So when am I going to make my first $1 billion?
Very, very soon.
Next month?
Very soon. No. 2 years.
2 years में?
Yeah.
ठीक है.
2 years.
I can work with that.
Yeah. 2 years is a decent timeline to work.
I can play with that.
You have to decide how you're going to spend that $1 billion then.
वो बाद में सोच लेंगे.
नहीं,
वो
आप पहले ही सोचा. अच्छा, सोचा हुआ है. Okay.
Spending का $2 billion की बनाई हुई हमने list.
Of course. आपकी इतनी fan following है. So many people crazy about you. आपके जो shows होते हैं.
Right.
But what is the craziest thing a fan has ever done for you?
There's so many of them. So
Give me the wildest, most mad, out of the box. आप भी shock हो गए.
there's so many. अब मैं which one should I tell you? So
I'm guessing there's more female following than male following.
Yeah. But I have a story about a male.
Oh, how interesting.
Fan.
Okay.
So there was this guy who we was doing a show in Bombay.
Okay.
So he contacted us that he's a fan of mine. और उसने एक leaf cut art बनाई है. So they take leaves and they spend 8 to 9 or 10 hours to just like cut that and paste it on a piece of paper and they make your portrait
Wow.
with leaves.
Wow.
It's actually you have to see it to believe it. वो क्या? It's a very
Wow.
nice art form.
Wow.
And he suddenly appeared with that, and I was really taken aback. I was
And
very
touched.
emotional.
Yeah, and you were touched.
Yeah, so yeah, this been these kind of things. There was one guy who was getting married, and he had sent 2,000 or 3,000 invites,
Okay.
and he asked me if I could perform for his wedding. मैंने कहा ये date तो available नहीं है.
Okay.
So, okay, then after 1 week he called me. I've changed my date.
Wow.
He sent 3,000 invites again.
Wow. Okay, that is
so-
serious
Yeah,
fan
yeah.
following. When did you start learning music?
I think when I was in class 5.
5.
Class
Did you know
5.
you wanted to be a singer then?
No.
When did you get to know you wanted to be a singer?
So basically, it's a very funny story. So I was in my school band. And
Okay.
I used to play the keyboard.
Oh, okay.
And in
Not
my-
singing.
No, not singing. So my school is very famous for musicians. So basically, KK was
Okay. Which school is this?
Mount St. Mary's.
Okay.
So KK was from our school. Then Loy of Shankar Hassan Loy
Okay.
was a music teacher for some time in our school.
Okay.
Then a lot of music producers,
Wow.
directors, and actors. So it was very
So the
extracurricular.
creme de la creme.
Yeah.
In many ways.
Extracurricular focused school.
Okay.
So I was in school, so I never got a chance in singing because they never thought I was that good, and I wasn't even that good because I
Okay.
never learned singing
Okay.
properly. So मैं keyboard बजाता था. I used to play the guitar, and I was in a school band, and that's how it happened. And I went to college.
Okay.
So when I was in college, so I'll tell this part in Hindi because it all happened in Hindi in college. So I went to college, and I was 1% short. I was doing I wanted BCom honors, and they were giving me eco honors.
Okay.
So 1% का difference था,
हाँ.
83 or 84 में, but I wanted to do BCom because everybody said BCom is easier.
Yeah.
Honors, then
Of
eco
course.
honors.
Yeah.
So I took all my keyboards and guitar, and मैं पहुंच गया वहाँ पर कि चलो मैं आपको कुछ करके दिखाता हूँ, so that I get a 1% grace.
Okay.
And those days I was learning keyboards from Trinity College of London,
Oh, wow.
affiliated institute in
So
Delhi.
you were doing it seriously.
Yeah, not seriously, but I wanted to learn.
Yeah.
So मैंने उनको बजा के दिखाया. They didn't understand कि क्या हो रहा है, हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा कौन सा piece है, कहाँ का, Beethoven and all that we don't know.
Yeah.
फिर I played some guitars and another piece. Then finally they said, okay, सूर्यवीर ये तो ठीक है, आप कुछ और करके दिखा सर,
हाँ.
हम तो इम्प्रेस नहीं हुए हैं.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा मैं गा भी सकता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत,
हाँ.
एंड गिटार पता है इन द कार एंड आई गेट इट इफ आप कहते हैं तो. कहा हाँ वो दिखाइए. So I got my guitar and I played a couple of songs.
What did you sing?
I sang Dooba Dooba
Okay.
and I sang O Sanam
Okay.
by Lucky Ali.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
after that, when I sang, they said they all stood up and they said,
Wow.
okay, you welcome to our college. आपको 1% का grace मिल गया है and you
Wow.
can fill up the fees and you're in. And when I went outside, the entire people who was waiting, the student union and all those people, they got up and started clapping.
Oh wow.
So that's when I realized कि ठीक है, maybe I'm good.
Okay, I have it in me.
And maybe people like my style of singing.
Okay,
So
and
that's
then?
how the singing bit started.
So you trained?
I did bit of training also. Then I started doing
Classical.
inter-college shows, and college mein I used to be really popular because they used to just love my singing.
Okay.
And then when I finally reached third year, I was preparing for my MBA. And when I used to go for the MBA classes, so by the time they used to give that question out, जब तक मैं समझता भी नहीं था, लोग 5 लोग हाथ ऊपर करते थे, like you know, they knew the answer.
Yeah.
So I always knew I'm not going to be the best.
But the fact that you even tried, so
I tried.
from the beginning you weren't crystal clear that I'm going to be a singer,
Right.
right?
So, but at that point of time, जब मेरे को पता लगा कि I'm not the best in second year college, I thought no, I don't want to do anything 9 to 5.
हाँ.
Let's pursue singing. And then from that point onwards, I started taking singing very seriously.
And what type of, like, I see you're doing, what you're doing today, is that something you always wanted to do in terms of the genre that you've picked, or is it more about what's popular, what the music industry wants, or this is what you love doing?
So I'm a very multi-genre kind of guy, if I
Okay.
would say, but I follow different styles.
Which is what?
It could be rock, it could be a ballad, it could be old school, it could be classic. So you know, I follow different kind. I like melody.
Okay.
So if there's melody in the song, it could be any genre. I'll follow the melody.
And how important is it for you to like that song?
Absolutely, 100%. 100%. If I don't like the song, I don't have the emotion, I won't connect, then I'll be just probably doing, performing a job, which I
Yeah.
don't want to do.
Obviously.
I want to do with all my heart.
Yeah. So do you ever sing for yourself?
Yes, at times.
Like when no one's around?
At times.
Yeah?
Probably in the car, kabhi drive karte hue, you know.
Ah.
Sometimes I'm in the field, I'll start singing. Most of the times, my voice is like very tired because we
I'm
are doing
sure.
so many gigs. So
Yeah.
when I'm not performing, I'm resting, voice resting. But yeah, there are times.
So when did you first start doing serious gigs? I mean, when you were pretty sure that this is what you're going to pursue.
So when I was in college, I went to a friend. He had a restaurant in east of Kailash. I said, I want to perform here. So he said, I can give you like 1200 rupees or something, but you can come every Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday off day, try kar lo.
Huh.
So I Tuesday start kara shuru, and then I performed in another restaurant. He said, I'll give you pizza
Okay.
as barter. You come and sing.
Oh wow.
So that's how I practiced.
Okay.
And that pizza used to be 10 pizzas because I used to call my friends.
Okay.
कि चलो आज pizza खाते हैं. It used to be full house. When I finished college, that's when I had a lot of time. So I started singing at Cafe Coffee Day
Okay.
in 2000.
I didn't know that
Yeah.
anyone would sing there. I've never heard anyone sing
Doesn't
there.
happen anymore. But when they started, it was a really premium brand. They were very less, you know,
How long back was this?
many years ago.
Yeah. I mean,
And there were there were very few restaurants or
Yeah.
lounges or whatever.
Okay.
And they were the only ones to start this concept of having a coffee shop
And singing.
singing. So that's when I started, and that was the starting point.
So lots of gigs going on, or do you pick and choose? How does it sort of work?
We can't pick and choose as such. Yes, of course, we have to perform where we get respect and obviously what we demand and everything. But yeah, God's been kind. We do a lot of gigs, and hopefully we'll do even better next
Yeah,
year.
of course, inshallah.
Huh.
But I want to know why someone like you, very successful musician, why you felt the need to get some astrological guidance, advice. What were you really looking
So
for?
what was happening was last couple of years, you know, I was, of course we are doing pretty well. We do a lot of gigs, but my health was not supporting me. Like kabhi dengue ho jata, kabhi back pain. So I'm in the middle of a tour and I had this back injury.
Yeah.
In 3 months I was doing gigs, physiotherapy karke, medicine khake, and you know, so I thought, you know, might as well. This is also science.
Yeah.
This is also scientific, and there are reasons that you can find out why is it happening. So that's why I thought, and I loved your stuff on social media. It is like so intriguing, and it is so informative, and it is like really, really good.
Thank
so I
you.
thought, might as well ask you, okay, why am I getting sick every 3 months?
Is that something you would ordinarily do in your life, or it was just a one-off thing? Okay, let me figure. Because some people right from the start follow astrology.
No, I do
and they
follow
go.
astrology.
So you do.
Yeah. There's someone very close to me. I do follow her, and but this was something which was different, and I was really interested to ask you कि क्यों हो रहा मैं बार-बार बीमार?
And did it help? What
Yeah,
was?
I think you gave a very good prediction. So yeah, to your question, so I remember this was around November. I was struggling with this backache for almost 2 months. I was playing cricket and I got injured, and it just won't get all right. So I got my CT scan, everything was all good. So I was thinking, क्यों नहीं हो रही ठीक? And what's the problem? And I was getting physiotherapy. So I spoke to you and you said that you're gonna get better in like a couple of weeks. It's almost done,
Yeah.
and it's gonna go. So then I thought, okay, I didn't think about it after that, and suddenly I found one physiotherapist one day,
Okay.
a manual physiotherapist,
Okay.
and he sorted me.
Wow.
So I think your dates were pretty accurate. कि around this time सब ठीक हो जाएगा, and somehow I found that physiotherapist from somewhere. उसने आके मेरे को ठीक कर दिया, and it's all good.
Great.
So since you asked any nice story, so there was this person. She used to come for my shows. She no more.
Oh,
And
sorry.
yeah, so she was perfectly fine. She really enjoyed. Suddenly she had a neuro disease,
Okay.
and it degenerated very very fast in like 4-5 years. And then she was in the bed, and then
How old was she?
must be in her 40s. And then so when she passed away, in her last days, last few 3-4 years, she used to like be in bed and hear my songs. And a lot of time her nurse would call me on a video call, and she would just smile, and because she was in like artificial everything.
Okay.
So when she was no more, her niece decided that she's going to get married, and she's going to call me, because that was
Oh, how
her
lovely.
Masi's wish.
Oh, how lovely.
And it was a very emotional. Everybody was in tears, even so was I, because it was just so overwhelming.
And it's amazing that you
Yeah,
went.
and they all said, we wish we would have called you to Bhopal earlier,
Oh.
not so late. But anyway, they just made sure that they gave her all the
That's-
respect, and उनकी last wish इनकी wish पूरी करी. And so these are some what do you call instances in life.
Yeah. So I think not many people know that you're very emotional.
Right.
You're a very loyal person, and you stand behind and stick behind people you care about. I have your horoscope, so I know
Okay.
that's who you are. But tell us who the person is behind Surya, the performer, the musician. And what do you like to do? How do you spend your day? I know you wake up very late. That I know.
Very late.
Very late.
Afternoon.
It's been a long time. I've been trying to get you to wake up early in the morning, but no, I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. But tell us, who is Surya?
So if I'm not singing, I'm either eating
Okay.
or I'm working out.
Doesn't look like you're eating, but
No, I
okay.
love eating. If I get a chance, I'll eat butter chicken har din. Every day I'll eat butter chicken, and I'll have my chocolate mousse pastries and all those kind of things. But of course.
How do you keep the weight off then?
वो work
Can't
out
be
ना?
just work out.
Workout ना?
No, no.
पहले
Can't be
पहले
just
खाना
work
खाता हूँ,
out.
फिर workout करता हूँ, फिर खाता हूँ, फिर workout.
When do you get the time?
As
When
soon
you're
as I
off
get
to
up,
work?
first thing, when I get up in the morning, I do my riyaz. Next thing is workout.
First thing is Riyaz.
Yeah, first thing is riyaz. Second is workout.
And how much Riyaz do you do?
An hour.
Every day?
45 minutes hour. Yeah,
Every day.
every day. Mostly, most days.
Okay.
On most days.
Still, do you have a guru, someone you train under?
I'd love to
or-
have, but क्या होता है, my timings are very erratic. So
Okay.
many times I call a Guruji, and then I cannot make it. So I do it mostly by myself. But whenever I do have like some time in hand, I call the Guruji. कि हम साथ में करते हैं, so that
Okay.
like you say, there's no end to learning.
No, not at all. Knowledge has no end.
Yeah.
And that's something we always take with
Yeah,
us
yeah.
when we go besides, I mean, nothing else. But I do think that a lot of progressive people or youngsters आजकल सोचते हैं कि astrology is a little mumbo jumbo. It's not a science, it's more superstition.
Right.
But in my experience, the people who always come कहते हैं कि हम पहले कभी believe नहीं करते थे, फिर ये हो गया हमारे साथ. And most people will not want to acknowledge it.
Maybe
but
that's your
this is-
magic.
I don't know. But I hope to believe that it is
Right.
some part of me. But we're also just giving out knowledge that's been around for thousands of years.
कब से astrology? Like कब से?
जब से
Okay.
creation
So there have
है.
been books on it and everything.
Of course, it's part of the Vedas.
Okay.
It's part of the Vedas.
It's been there forever.
Yeah, it's called the eye of the Vedas. तो जैसे आप एक बंद कमरे में आते हैं, अगर वहाँ उसमें बत्ती नहीं ऑन है, यू डोंट नो कि किस तरफ बेड है या टेबल है, क्या है.
Okay.
सो जब लाइट ऑन हो जाती है आपको पता है कि किस तरफ मुझे जाना है. सो एस्ट्रोलॉजी वर्क्स लाइक दिस. इट्स कॉल्ड ज्योतिष.
Okay.
It's a light.
Okay.
Right? So like a light comes on, so you
Right.
know what's happening in this room, कि अब यहाँ पे ये है या मैं इधर जाऊँ तो ये होगा.
Okay.
So वो आपको बेसिकली ये बता देगा कि अभी समय ठीक नहीं है, आप थोड़ा ठहर जाओ, अभी चिल करो, ज़्यादा कुछ मत करो, डोंट मेक वेरी बिग डिसीजंस, डोंट
Okay.
इन्वेस्ट सो मच मनी, डोंट स्टार्ट अ न्यू बिजनेस. 6 months बाद करोगे, इट विल बी अ लॉट
It
ईजियर.
can help you make your decisions correctly.
इट्स अ GPS सिस्टम.
But I want to ask a question कि
हाँ.
अगर जैसे for example आप एक astrologer हैं, so आपकी reading will be different from another astrologer and different from another one. So how does that happen?
That happens because of a curse. Shivji cursed
अच्छा.
astrologers that
Okay.
no two astrologers will agree on the same thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's also a slightly subjective science.
Perspective होता है ना
एक पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, एक मुझे जो इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है लाइफ में आपको शायद ना लगे. Like for me the most important thing is peace.
Okay.
For me that's the biggest form of success. Are
Okay.
you peaceful?
Okay.
Right? So that's my
Calm.
mantra for success. कि जो भी हो, because ups and downs will keep coming. That's never going to end. But how you meet those situations, the grace with which you meet those situations, that's what to me is success. You may think it's something different.
Okay.
Someone may measure success with material things or assets or cash in the bank. It's different for everyone.
So is it better to read a person's horoscope if you don't know the person? Because then you're going with a very neutral,
Good question. Good
perspective, or
question.
it's better you should know the person.
I think when you know the person, then
It's
it
easier?
kind of shades things a lot.
Acha.
And depending on what relationship you have with that person,
नहीं आप predict better कैसे कर पाओगे अगर the person you don't know at all, it's a stranger, or you know the person like
both.
both.
I don't think there's any difference
Okay.
there. But it's easier to guide people who you don't know, I think.
Because you can be blunt.
You can be very blunt, you can say what you have to say. And I think
you
that
have
I
to
have
mince your
made my
words.
reputation as a very blunt astrologer. I say what I have to say. And
That
I
I-
don't
that I
influence.
know. Yeah, that I know.
So I'm not going to hide back or keep something from you. I'll tell you exactly how it is. And I think that that's a lot better. But then some people will probably feel कि हमें नहीं जानना, हमें नहीं पता करना कि क्या हो रहा है हमारी
That's also
life में.
okay. That's a
Which is
personal
also
choice, yeah.
okay. But it's not like once you get to know वो होगा नहीं, वो होगा. But आप थोड़ा better prepared होंगे.
हाँ, that was my question कि अगर आप किसी को predict करते हैं that this is going to happen, तो हम उन side effects को या ill effects को कम कर सकते हैं. We can mitigate somehow. In astrology, can we just make sure that जो problem आने वाली है वो कम हो जाए या जितनी आनी है उससे कम आए, ऐसा कुछ?
So there are two things. There's fate and then there's free will.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if we say that an event is going to happen, in all likelihood, it is going to happen.
Okay.
But how you plan for it, like if I say you're going to lose your job, there's a chance of that. You'll
Right.
probably start saving a little bit
Right.
more,
Right.
or you'll
Make your decisions
prepare,
better. Yeah.
or you'll take some time. You won't pick a fight with your boss over your raise. Probably. You'll say, कोई बात नहीं, maybe 6 months after I'll take this up
Okay.
with him. I won't take it up immediately.
So basically, it helps you make your decision at the right time.
Correct. Jyotish is the science of karma.
Okay.
आप कुछ कर रहे हैं, उसका आपको effect मिलेगा.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay.
So it's not good or bad. The universe doesn't see you as good or bad. It's just what energy you're putting out is what you're going to get.
So do the eclipses, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, do they actually cause some negativity, or are they not good for us?
Yeah, of course, because पहले हमारे सिर्फ 7 ग्रह होते थे, 7 planets. जैसे हमने स्कूल में पढ़ा ना, like sun, moon,
I
Mars.
think 9 नहीं होते थे.
हाँ, हमेशा 7 ही होते थे.
एक कम
आप
हो
पता
गया
नहीं
आजकल.
कौन से स्कूल गए हैं. So 7 ही
No,
होते हैं.
recently उसको प्लूटो को हटा दिया as a
वो
planet.
तो हम मानते ही नहीं है. We don't get into Pluto
Okay.
at all.
Okay.
So you have your sun, moon,
like that,
Mars,
7, okay.
Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn.
Yeah.
Okay, 7 visible.
उसके बाद Venus है.
उसके बाद राहु केतु हैं, वो अलग स्टोरी है.
Okay.
So पहले ये 7 थे.
Okay.
फिर जब सागर मंथन हुआ ना, there's this big हिंदू इतिहास में एक स्टोरी है where the demons and the gods got together because
Okay.
they wanted to get this amrit, out
Okay.
from the ocean. So there
Okay.
was the Sagar Manthan that took place.
Okay.
Now, when that happened, the Devtas sort of agreed to share this Amrit with the demons.
Okay.
तो जब वो निकला अमृत and they had to share it, Bhagwan Vishnu made this beautiful Mohini, this
Okay.
lovely avatar of his,
Okay.
and she was meant to, well, I mean, distract the demons because they didn't want to share the Amrit
Amrit.
with them. Okay, so she made all the gods sit in front and she started distributing the Amrit, and after that came the turn of the demons, and the
Okay.
point was that by the time that turn comes, तब तक खत्म हो
Amrit
जाएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है, but there was one demon called Swarbhanu. He was
Okay.
very smart, and he disguised himself as a god and came and sat between the sun and the moon.
Okay.
Okay, and when it was his turn to have the Amrit, he had the Amrit. He became immortal. But in that moment, Mohini, Aka Vishnu,
Okay.
realized that ये तो देवता नहीं है, ये तो demon है, तो उनका सर काट दिया.
Okay.
Now वो जो सर है, that became the planet Rahu.
Oh.
And the body that was left,
Okay.
it got the, it doesn't have a head, right?
Right,
And
right.
that is Ketu.
Ketu.
So these two got
Aadmi-
decided कि अब हम sun और moon को eclipse करेंगे. That's their way of taking revenge.
What's Rahu Ketu in English?
North node and south node of
Okay.
the moon.
Okay.
So they, Rahu and Ketu eclipse.
But
the
some
sun
people say
and
Rahu and Ketu are good also. They give you
Of course.
money also, and they
Of
give
course.
you like fame also. Is
But
that
they're
a-
invisible grahas, right?
Yeah.
And they are a little out of the matrix.
Hmm.
They're not interested in all of this. Like Ketu is the planet of moksha and spirituality, and Rahu is
So they can both give you negative and positive.
like everything in life.
Okay.
Life is duality, good
Okay.
and bad, night and
Okay.
day. So they can give you a bit of both. It depends. When you are in these periods, you have to take a bit of care. You have to be very
Right.
disciplined,
Right.
right? And Rahu can give immense wealth.
Okay.
Immense wealth.
How?
It can.
Let's,
Depends
let's,
on how
let
it
me
is.
write. Let me write that.
Don't worry, 1 billion, 2 billion will come next year. But yes, ये सब कर्मा के agents होते हैं, ये
Okay.
grahas.
Okay.
So they come and they make us experience our past action in
Okay.
some way or the other.
Right.
So they're not good, they're not bad. Whatever
have to live
energy
with
you
them.
put out, you have to live with them. You should align with them a
Align.
little bit.
Okay.
Once you get to know,
Mhm.
like Bhagwan doesn't need us. You know, I mean,
Right.
we
Of course,
need
of
him,
course, of
correct?
course. Yes, of course.
So it's all about making a bit of a relationship, a bit of a bond. Now, how do you do that? You know, if you have a friend, you'll go and meet them occasionally.
Or go out. Or
You'll go out. You'll spend some time
Yeah,
with them.
yeah.
So in our own way, we'll do a darshan or we'll chant a mantra that can bring us closer to the divine. So in many ways, it's all about making that relationship, and then that faith comes. And just because you can't see it or can't see the effect or what it's really doing, doesn't mean that it's not going to
working.
happen.
Background में कहीं काम हो रहा है.
हाँ, हो रहा है. आपको faith है कि हो रहा है. And faith is half the job done.
I feel a lot of people also run away from astrology because they feel the remedies are very difficult. I feel, you know, that we should tell them that, you know, remedies are easy also.
But it's
Ye-
not really a remedy.
Huh.
It's just like I said, like even if you go to do a darshan,
Hmm.
right? You have to just look at it like you're going to just say hi or you know, recognize another
Right.
energy and show your gratitude to that energy. So in that sense, that's one way to do it.
Okay.
But again, you don't have to go to a temple. जब आप घर में बैठ के आप meditate भी कर रहे हो, it's all about just spending time with yourself. ये
True.
जो सारी spiritual practices होती हैं, किस लिए होती हैं? हमारे mind को शांत करने के लिए, और कुछ
To
नहीं.
calm you down.
To calm you down. आप थोड़ा अपने साथ वक्त spend करो.
So as an astrologer,
Yeah.
it's your job, I would say.
Yeah.
Is it fun? Like you enjoy it or you think it's taxing? Because आप तो बहुत busy हो. आपकी एक महीने बाद appointment मिलती है.
I love to teach.
अच्छा.
That's what I started with.
Okay.
And
Teach astrology?
I teach astrology.
Okay.
I teach astrology online, and that is the best part of my day.
Okay.
Those few hours are the best part of my day.
Okay.
In COVID,
Okay,
I started teaching, and it just took off from there.
So do you make your important decisions according to date and time, all of them, or like?
No, I don't.
Okay. How many?
I do
how
some
many?
of it. I do,
80%, 50%.
but I never get time to look at anything to do with me.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, the last thing on my mind always.
Okay.
But I think that even in astrology, you have to reach a certain place to understand. I mean, you will reach that certain place to understand that जो होना है वो होना है.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
And Jyotish helps us accept
Okay.
things with more grace, with dignity.
Okay.
And that's the place that one is in right now. But जब हम पढ़ाते हैं, like when
Right.
I had left my career in at NDTV,
Okay.
I wanted to teach because it had brought so much to my life. Astrology had been like my shrink,
Okay.
like my counselor,
Okay.
right? And I never went to therapy because I had astrology.
Perfect.
So that's what I felt like people need to know this. I mean, the basic knowledge should be there with everyone. So there's this very famous quote that that has always resonated.
Okay.
Tell me and I'll forget.
Okay.
Teach me and I may remember, but involve me and I will learn.
Yeah.
So for all the critics of astrology, I would
Right.
always say that give it a shot, give it a try.
Yeah.
Even if a general understanding of the planets, like सब शनि को हमेशा दोष देते हैं हर चीज के लिए.
Okay.
It's very, you know,
Okay.
He's just the planet of karma.
Okay.
Okay, he gives
Okay.
you exactly what you deserve.
Okay.
आपको एक शीशा दिखाते हैं और उसके तौर से
Okay.
that's basically
Okay.
what he is. Now वो उनका एक ट्रेंड है, एक तरीका है,
Style है.
स्टाइल है. सब ग्रहों का एक एक स्टाइल होता है. उनका स्टाइल ये है कि वो बहुत स्लो हैं, बहुत परख के आपको देते हैं.
Okay.
जैसे एक फैक्ट्री में कोई प्रोडक्ट बनता है,
Right. Right.
वो प्रोडक्ट की टेस्टिंग होती है ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
हर स्टेज पे
टेस्ट करते हैं
वो आपको परखते हैं हर स्टेज पे.
Hmm.
And nobody can give like him also. Nobody can give like Shani. Wealth, respect
Okay.
amongst the masses.
Shani.
You're in a absolutely.
That's so nice. It's so
Absolutely.
interesting.
Yeah, it is. And उनकी 7.5 आती है तो सब अब 7.5 होगी हमारी लाइफ ओवर हो जाएगी. For some people,
What
7.5 it's a 7.5 year period of Saturn.
Yes.
Right.
That's a,
And everyone, it comes for everyone.
once in your life.
No, sometimes 3. शनि के पीरियड में हम कहते हैं कि you won't have time to wipe the sweat off your back.
I'd like to know मेरा शनि के पीरियड कब था. Last, so that you know we can see, okay, did I
Of
actually
course,
work hard at that point of
I
time?
think I mean everyone does. There's
एक बार तो
not
आया
a
होगा,
chance.
so
Of
I'll ask
course,
you.
of course,
Yeah?
we will have a chat about this.
I'll tell my manager to write this question.
So you've been doing a lot of cover songs,
Right.
and 2 have been an absolute hit, right? So
Many,
there's Yara.
many have been, but
Oh, okay.
two,
Or the ones that I've heard.
Yeah,
Yara Teri Yari
Right.
and Mere Rang Mein.
Right, right.
Why did you choose just these 2?
So basically, a friend of mine suggested, a couple of friends, they suggested, "Ye gana acha, you should, you know, start singing at your shows." Many years ago. So we started singing at shows, and there was a massive response. And every time we used to sing that song, like people used to go crazy at our version. So we thought, why not, yaar, कि इसका एक बनाते हैं version and let's release it. So we got back to the studios, rehearsals. हमने बनाया इसका version. We shot a video. Very dear friend of mine. I lost him in COVID, you know.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
But I really miss him because he was the one responsible for the video. उसने shoot किया, सब कुछ किया, and we released it, and the rest is history. And when we released it, nothing happened for first 1 year. It was there, people liking it, our friends, and suddenly out after like 1.5 or 2 years, it went viral.
Wow.
Everybody in the country, abroad, and yeah, I think we did a world tour or something because that song made us so popular.
Right.
Everybody used to call us for that particular song and used to ask us to sing like 10 times, 20 times. So that's how we understood that, you know, that we can recreate songs nicely.
Yeah.
And so that's how the recreation process started. Because we don't remake a song, we recreate the melody, we try to keep the essence because, you know, कोई किशोर कुमार सर ने गाया है, कोई, you know, they're all legends. We don't want to
Absolutely.
spoil them, so we don't call them कि हमने बनाया है, हम कहते हैं हमको tribute दिया है हमने
Correct.
to the original singer and the musician
Right.
because we love them, we're inspired.
Absolutely.
That's how it started, and now we're doing a Yari tour now.
Oh, wow.
All India pan India Yari tour. Let's see.
Oh, wow. No, but that's one song that one will see on social media, people sharing,
right.
going crazy.
Right.
But you also bring to, I mean, there are a lot of people who sing
Right.
very well. There's
Right.
no
Yeah, of
dearth
course,
of
of course,
talent,
of course, of
really.
course, of course.
But the other thing I think that sets you apart from everyone else is your performance skills on stage.
Okay.
That's something I've seen.
Okay.
And it's your ability to pull in a crowd
Right.
and to keep it really energetic.
Right.
How do you do that?
I think it's happened over time. I was a very shy person to start with.
Okay.
When I started singing, I was shy. So that comes to another point. You can always change. You can always develop yourself. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप जो हो, आप 10 साल बाद भी वही हो. When I started, I was very shy. I used to be very conscious of what people are thinking, what people are talking. But then over the years, I programmed myself. I thought, no, it doesn't matter. And I think this is our USP, that we can hold the crowd. Give us any crowd, we can hold the crowd together.
Absolutely.
And I love expressing myself. Of course, I'm not shy and conscious anymore. So when we are on stage, we don't care what people are thinking, good or bad. Eventually, they think good because we are being real.
Right.
हम express कर रहे हैं अपने आप को, and we express the best way possible.
Yeah, and there's always a certain with you there's an equilibrium.
Right.
आप बड़े calm रहते हैं और
नहीं, मैं calm नहीं हूँ.
नहीं?
Otherwise, I'm calm.
Yeah.
But when I'm on stage, then I'm all energetic and I'm all going wild.
No, but even when people are going wild, there's a certain calmness in that. I mean, I've seen you pour bottles and bottles on yourself also. I've seen that.
But you learn from your mistakes. Every time when you get successful, there is a period when you think no end of yourself. हर किसी के साथ ऐसे होता है.
हाँ.
It's better that वो period prolong now, and you learn that this is not how you're supposed to behave.
No, but humility is really very important. Yeah.
Every artist who becomes famous for even one day or 1 month, I think किसी में 1 दिन के लिए आता है वो, या किसी में 2 दिन के लिए, किसी में 20 साल के लिए. You get that little, you think too much of yourself. होता है. It's natural. Suddenly if you get something which you don't expect, so always good to remind yourself where आपने start कहाँ से किया. So you should always remember your roots.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I remember that I started when I used to go to Cafe Coffee holding my keyboard and mixers and wiring together. Then by the end of it, I was sweating so much.
Yeah.
I used to do a solo act.
Yeah.
इतना सामान लगा के मैं पूरा I was like भीग रहा होता था sweat में.
Absolutely.
Drenched, and then I would go to the washroom and get ready again.
Wow.
Of a Cafe Coffee washroom. Then I used to come and start singing for 5 hours.
But you've had a long now, what, 15, 16 years of a stage?
My band is about 12 years old.
Okay.
And I've been another 3-4 years, I was a solo artist.
Solo artist.
Yeah.
So in that period, have you ever had low, where you felt really like,
many
pata
times.
nahi main karu na karu, is it going to work or not?
So you meet all good people and bad people, so you learn from your mistakes.
Absolutely.
Like there would be times when people would book me and they would not find it very soft.
Okay.
अब मैं गा रहा हूँ तो इतनी तेज आवाज तो आएगी ना, सुनना ही पड़ेगा. So they would just do it. So I would say, okay, I'm not a radio, I'm singing live, but I would still do it.
Yeah.
And there was a very funny incident. Once somebody called me to perform at their house.
Okay.
So I was performing in a drawing room, but there was nobody over there.
Really?
So people decided that this is not the place to chill. They were chilling in some other room.
And
but
you continue to perform?
Of course, I was paid for it. So I was supposed to sing in this room and the voice would travel to the other room.
Oh, wow.
So there have been very bizarre incidents. There was one time when this guy, don't take his name, he'll get offended. He said, he called me to his place and he said, "Aap hamara show karo." So he booked a lot of things, saxophone player, DJ, musicians, etc., etc. So, I told him, if you don't like the show, don't pay me the full amount.
Okay.
Whatever it was,
Chill.
Give me 10,000 less then.
ठीक है.
So he said, okay, done. The event started 8 o'clock at night. It ended at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
People
I hope he paid you 5 times the money.
Went crazy about it. Crazy and it was no end to it.
Wow.
So he called me to his office. He gave me 10,000 less.
Seriously?
मैंने कहता आपने तो कहा था ना कि मज़ा नहीं है तो मेरे को इतना मज़ा नहीं आया.
Oh.
So that's the day I decided कि अब सारे पैसे पहले लेंगे.
पहले नहीं वो करना पड़ता है.
But when you're struggling and when you're new, you just want work.
You want work.
Money तो आ जाएगा.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't understand that when you are very passionate about what you do.
Right.
I mean that's one thing. A lot of people don't like their jobs.
Right.
But a lot of people love it.
Right.
And it doesn't matter what's coming, the money, the payment. It's not important.
Right.
But then there are instances like this where you learn the hard way that.
So these things happened, and so you learn from those mistakes, and then of course.
So what would you tell somebody who wants to start in this industry now? Would you firstly tell them, take your payment before?
वो मुश्किल है. Because then they'll be like when you're struggling with so many options, people like really want to take advantage.
Yeah.
But don't leave your money because it's your hard-earned money.
Absolutely.
Don't do anything for free.
Okay.
Okay, because you know when you do for free, then people don't respect.
True.
कम में कर लो, बहुत कम में करो, and once you are a superstar, ना, then you can gift.
Of course.
Okay, yeah, you take my performance as a gift. That's a different story altogether.
Yeah.
But when starting, just have to charge some money,
Yeah.
so that they think that you know they've invested on you, and they've called you.
Yeah, I mean, it's your time
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
Yeah,
And
and I think
time
being
is-
it's a very professional industry now. It's not that you
now
know,
it is.
So you need to be professional yourself. Everybody needs to follow a certain guideline. You know, you just can't go and start performing. Just you know,
No, of course.
be
No, that is
presentable and be.
No, but for people who are really struggling in this industry, um,
See, I feel that what I see, everybody's a different, you know, person. Everybody's biochemistry is different. They have different mindsets. I feel you should give yourself a time period.
okay.
Okay, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 1 year, 6 years, whatever you think is the right time. If you make it during that point of time, that means it's meant for you. If you do not, then you try something else.
Try
Or
something
you ask an astrologer.
Absolutely. What
क्या-
you
क्या
should be
करना
doing.
चाहिए?
What do my stars say? But your stars so talk about, it's so clear cut in
Okay.
your chart.
I,
Music,
Okay.
singing,
acting?
performance.
Acting कर सकता हूँ मैं?
Bilkul.
Politician?
Politician, no.
No.
Too
I'm not
emotional.
diplomatic.
Too emotional, too all heart. So no.
I wanted to become a cricketer also when I was younger.
Can.
Like every
But I think you would have found much better success in music. So you are where you are meant to be.
and because I love sports.
You do.
I'm
What
very,
sports
I'm
do
very
you play?
competitive. I play tennis, lawn tennis.
Okay, so do I.
Really?
Yeah.
I stopped playing because of the pollution.
I was my school tennis captain.
Really? Which school?
Really. Wellham Girls.
Oh, nice. From a boarding school.
Yes.
Nice.
I will see you on court.
Which court?
The tennis
Tennis,
court.
ठीक है.
The tennis court.
A tennis court is fine. So I know I used to play, but I was so good.
Oh, really?
That-
So you thought give everyone else a chance.
मेरे को कोई opponent
मैं
ही नहीं
सिंग
मिला.
भी करता हूँ, मैं टेनिस भी खेलता हूँ, अब you know.
So the best part is I think I'm a very good cricketer and I call all my friends. I go, let's play cricket.
Okay.
And I go like 500 meters. And I go with big run up and it's a wide ball.
Oh,
So-
okay.
So I like all the works,
Yeah.
but you know I need to be like well equipped and I'll buy new racket and I'll buy new balls. But opponents ही नहीं मिलते मेरे को मैं
I know, of
जिनके
course.
साथ मैं खेल पाऊँ.
नहीं, but आप जहाँ पे हैं, आपको वहीं होना
Last में
था.
मैंने लियांडर को बुलाया था.
अच्छा.
Not Leander Pace.
Okay. Not Leander Pace.
वो
So he's a very sweet.
लियांडर
Nice.
डिसूजा मैं करके पीछे रहता है.
अच्छा.
वो खेल नहीं पाया फिर.
Okay. So where do you see yourself in 10 years?
On a cruise.
On a cruise? You will be on a cruise
Chilling.
in 1 year.
Chilling.
Chilling.
See, I feel that until I'm enjoying this profession, I would keep doing it for life. Obviously, once you age, आपको कम shows करने पड़े. अभी we can manage, you know.
I don't think age is such an important factor.
It is actually, you know what, because आज अगर आप फुकेट में हो, कल रणथंभौर में हो, परसों जयपुर में हो, अगले दिन आगरा में, अभी कर सकते हैं. But at one point of time, it will be a bit difficult. So let's see. I intend to put all my originals out first because I have almost 100 songs which I've
Wow.
written and composed.
So you have written them and composed them.
Yeah. Mostly in the lockdown and some
Okay.
before that. So I want to put all of them out first. So that is
सारे
my,
रोमांटिक गाने.
कुछ romantic, कुछ दर्द भरे भी हैं.
अच्छा.
कुछ
जब आपका दिल टूटा था.
नहीं दिल तो बहुत बार टूटा है ना.
अच्छा, बहुत बार.
हाँ तो बहुत सारे
बहुत important है. Otherwise you
बहुत-
wouldn't be a good
बहुत-
singer.
बहुत सारे thoughts
You
सोचने के
wouldn't
लिए.
be a
We
good
just-
singer.
Just play them and हाँ ठीक है ये हुआ था 10 साल
वो
पहले.
दर्द तभी आता है.
आज इस पे गाना बनाते हैं.
अच्छा. So that heartache has to come ना, वो दर्द भरी आवाज.
I'll tell you know what? It's about inspiration. You
So
can
what
get-
inspires you?
You can every day is an inspiration. You can get inspired with Virat Kohli also and write a song, and you don't
Okay.
have to think about Virat Kohli.
Okay.
It
Have
is
you
that-
written a song inspired?
No, what I'm trying to say, you have to be in that inspirational moment,
Okay.
and once you're in that moment, the thoughts just come to you from everywhere.
But there are blocks. So many times आप बहुत blocked feel करते हैं,
तभी तो आप
बहुत unmotivated feel करते हैं.
Exactly.
Then what do you do?
You can't compose every day. You don't have
Yeah.
to. It's not. You don't have to compose a song every day.
Of course.
आपने अगर एक कोई पीरियड चल रहा है 3-4 months का आपने 10-12 बना लिए खत्म देन उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम whenever you are in that zone you
Yeah.
make another 10-12 song.
Okay.
That's how.
So
like,
now we're going to get a lot of originals from you.
lot of original, lot of recreation, lot of stuff. I'm coming up with 18 songs this year,
Wow.
starting 5th June.
Okay.
मैंने डेट पूछी नहीं थी आपसे,
हाँ.
but I think अच्छा ही होगा.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Yeah.
All the goodwill is there
Yes.
from your fans.
Absolutely.
Okay.
What do you like listening to? What kind of music do you listen to? You're chilling, Friday night at home, have some friends over. What do you put on?
मैं बहुत कुछ सुनता हूँ and the
अच्छा.
thing is I'm one of those guys when I was in school at time cassettes होते थे
हाँ.
so people used to ask me ये तो एक काम कर एक asort कर and record करके हमें दे दे
हाँ, जैसे हम अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स और गर्लफ्रेंड्स के लिए
हाँ,
बनाते थे.
so all my friends used to
A mixed tape.
mixed tape, yes.
Correct.
So I was the one, and so yeah, it's a different phase. कभी आप कुछ सुन रहे हो, कभी कुछ सुन रहे हो, but I hear a lot of different kind of stuff. I love Kishore Kumar.
Okay.
I think
What's your favorite song of Kishore
all
Kumar?
his songs, because he is so versatile. He's singing from 1950s to the late 80s,
Yeah.
and even beyond that, his songs were coming in the 90s, and now his songs are recreated.
Absolutely.
So this guy was
Legend.
ahead of its time, and if you
Yeah.
hear his voice, it's like it is so good. So he's one of my all-time favorites. I love Ron Keating. I love, if you talk about newer guys, I like Shawn Mendes. I like Weekend.
So you like all types,
All
all
types.
genres.
So it's my mood. आज ये सुनना है.
Yeah.
So it's a very versatile kind of mood.
So do I. I mean, my father's a musician himself.
Really?
So I grew up with a lot of music at home.
Okay.
And I learned classical
He
music.
plays an instrument?
He plays the sitar.
Oh.
And I woke up to the sitar every morning.
Abhi bhi?
Because he used to do
Okay,
his
you're
riyaz.
married.
Now I'm married.
Okay.
So I used to
You can
wake
cut
up
that if you
to the sitar every morning. He used
Okay.
to do his riyaz 2-3 hours in the morning.
In
So music is also in
So
my
music,
DNA.
music used to wake you up.
Always. So I was scrolling through your Instagram and I
Right.
saw that you had also done Ram Aayenge.
Yes, yes.
So what made you do that?
I think around that time, around Ram Mandir,
Right.
there was so much, there was a lot of energy. There कुछ energy थी, and I was sitting with my social media,
Team.
guys, and we were talking कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, and I don't do something if I'm not connected. अगर मेरे को feel नहीं आ रही, तो मैं नहीं करता because if I'm not connected to it, the audience won't like it too. So I won't do anything for the heck of it.
Right.
So they just suggested that आप करना चाहेंगे. So I said, let me just work on it. And I started singing, and there was a lot of energy, and it went on to another melody, and I mixed 2 songs. If you
Right.
2 bhajans, I would say.
Yeah, yeah.
And it just was sounding very nice to me, and I loved it, and I put it out.
And it was very, very
Yeah,
nice.
99% of the
And-
people liked it. 1% तो trollers होते ही हैं.
Of course. And I remember thinking that your nakshatra is Punarvasu,
Okay.
which is Lord Ram's nakshatra.
Wow.
So it was quite. I don't think it was a coincidence that
Okay.
it resonated with
Okay,
you and that
okay.
you did this.
Wow. That's something I'll keep note of.
Absolutely. So what type of performances do you like to do the most? Performing at big fat Indian weddings or private parties
Okay.
or at different clubs, and what is that one thing that you will refuse to perform because of?
So I love the stage. मेरे को कहीं भी दे दो. It could be a club, a wedding, or a concert. And in fact, people say that हमारे weddings भी concert जैसे ही बन जाती हैं.
Okay.
So we love to perform as long as there is respect. So we will refuse जहाँ पर respect नहीं मिल रही होगी वहाँ पर हम नहीं करेंगे.
Have you ever done that?
Many times.
Many times.
Yeah, because if they start questioning आप ये क्यों चाहिए, वो क्यों चाहिए, ऐसे क्यों, वैसे क्यों, तो हम कहते हैं आप artist को बुला ही क्यों रहे हो?
Absolutely.
You're not going to buy vegetables, na?
Right.
Some people are like that, and so we refuse because that is respect for us, no?
No, of course. I mean, respect for
Yeah.
everything, and
Yeah,
and
because at the end of the day, you're doing this for passion. You're doing this for enjoyment, and you love this, and of course, there is money too.
Right.
But respect is foremost.
I think that हर चीज में छोटे से छोटे काम में बड़े से बड़े काम में
Yeah.
एक वो motive नियत
Yeah.
is very, very important.
So I remember this, a friend of mine, now a friend. I wouldn't say a friend, but I know him really well. So I was performing at his party, and it started raining.
Okay.
And I was performing solo on a keyboard.
Wow.
And it started raining, and of course, it was for more than 1 lakh.
Mm.
So, and there were other equipment also, total 2-3 lakh ka. So he came up to me, Surevi, just keep performing. Don't worry. Whatever's going to happen, I'll take care of it. So luckily कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, ठीक. And he said, Surevi, you were so amazing, but from today your fees is double.
Why?
He just felt
How
that,
nice.
So that is respect for me because,
Yeah.
and he told me that, I'm going to tell everybody I paid you double. Actually paid me double.
Wow.
He cut a check and get that from today, this is your rate and you have to charge this much. And if you charge less, I'm going to take this money back. So
Wow.
that's how my rate increased for the first time.
Yeah.
So these are kind of incidents like, where you feel that you're respected.
Yeah, and that you're valued.
Valued.
And that's more than
Yeah.
that's
More
very
than money.
important. More than money, and
Yeah.
and वैल्यू भी होता है बट लाइक अपना वैल्यू कुछ थोड़ा मांगना भी पड़ता है.
You have to be actually, what do you say, mentally very strong. You shouldn't care. Like how Ranbir Kapoor is, I've heard.
Okay.
He doesn't care about success also so much and failures also. So he's at the right place.
He's
That's
like
what
Lord Ram.
That's what I've heard at the Kapil Sharma show.
Yeah, but that's how it should be, no?
Okay.
Because if you're you have contentment inside and you're
Yeah.
satisfied
Yeah.
with what you're doing, it doesn't matter
Yeah.
whether someone appreciates
But
you
everybody
or
likes
not.
success. Everyone.
Everyone does, but also I think what trumps it is the joy. आपको इतनी खुशी मिलती है कि आप जो रोज करते हो.
Adrenal.
Yeah, like when I get up in the morning, I'm so happy that the first thing I'm going to do is teach astrology. I love it.
Okay.
And I love starting my day like that. Now, whether it's nice if my students appreciate me, and they do, and it's lovely. But first and foremost, I'm doing it for myself.
Mhm.
I'm doing it because I love
You
it.
love it.
And I found something that I love to do. I think there's a high in that. I found something. A lot of people struggle through their lives to find something that they like to do.
True.
And they
Fair.
want to spend their time
Yeah,
doing.
yeah.
And I think that we're blessed that we have that opportunity
Absolutely.
to
Absolutely.
get out there and be ourselves
And do it.
and do what we want to do. And it might change 5 years from now, 10
Yeah.
years from now.
You
who
keep
knows?
evolving, no?
Obviously.
ये बात सच है. Every 5 years you change as a person.
Your time periods change and you will see a change.
ठीक है.
जब आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस देखते हैं ना लोगों की लाइव्स में, वो एक टाइम पीरियड होता है. प्लैनेट्स की हर टाइम
आज
पीरियड होता
प्रेडिक्ट
है.
कर पाएंगे मेरे एप्स कब आएंगे?
आपके एब्स तो आएंगे ही नहीं. वो मैं ज़रूर प्रिडिक्ट कर सकती हूँ.
क्यों?
क्योंकि बस है,
मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ एप्स पे.
करते रहिए. इतनी आसानी से नहीं आएंगे
कितनी आसानी से?
जितनी मेहनत आप कर
ऑलमोस्ट
रहे
है
हैं.
मेरे.
नहीं.
4 है, बस 2 चाहिए और.
6 पैक.
हाँ.
Seriously, you
हाँ.
don't look like you have 2 also.
Why?
No.
Let me do a quick rapid fire with you and let me ask you a few quick questions if you're ready for it.
I'm always ready
बहुत
for
मेरा fast
rapid
rapid fire
fire.
होता है.
Go for it.
आप कर पाओगे?
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है.
Bring it on.
Astrology or journalism?
Astrology.
Summer or winter?
Winter.
Red or black?
Red.
Husband or boyfriend?
Both.
अच्छा. वाह. Favorite singer?
Suryaveer.
चलो, you should give me a hamper now.
Hamper.
मैं hamper
Okay,
लेता हूँ.
I have a rapid fire for you. Hamper or prediction?
Prediction.
All right.
From you.
Absolutely. So before we go,
Yeah.
Obviously we have to have you sing.
Right.
That is part of the course.
Right.
So which one?
I think I'll say Ya Teri Yaari because we've talked so much about my past and that was my
Yeah.
first song which went viral.
Okay.
And we're doing a Yari tour, India tour starting in July.
Amazing.
So उसी पे for all my
Okay.
old friends and new friends.
Absolutely. Go for it.
मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर ना तू जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी ना आए यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. And for more, you should come for my show.
Absolutely. So Suryaveer has a tour coming up.
Yeah.
You guys should join that tour for sure.
You should as well.
I will, for sure. When I'm
Yeah.
not working, for sure.
You don't
But-
work in the evenings, I know that.
I don't. Absolutely. You're keeping a close check on what
Yeah,
I'm doing.
absolutely.
Okay.
I keep
All
a
right.
close check on my astrologer.
Okay. And that is apparently, as we have discussed, everyone has one. So
ज़रूरी है.
thank you so much for coming out and acknowledging that you have an astrologer. This has been absolutely amazing.
Pleasure.
It's been a blast.
Pleasure.
Well, music and astrology,
was
put
fun.
them together. I think what we've created is
History.
Is history, maybe. But thank you so much.
Pleasure.